Sleep like a log. Unpacking the meaning. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have heard before: sleep like a log. If you've ever wondered what it means and how you can use it in your daily conversations, you're in the right place. Let's explore this expression together and make your English sound more natural and fluent. Stay with us as we unpack everything you need to know about this phrase. To sleep like a log means to sleep very deeply and soundly, without waking up or being disturbed through the night. Imagine a log, solid and unmoving in the forest. It doesn't react to the environment around it. It's just there, peaceful and undisturbed. When someone says they slept like a log, they're comparing their sleep to the stillness and stability of a log, indicating they had a very restful night. The phrase, sleep like a log, has been used for centuries, and its origins are quite literal. Logs are inanimate and unaffected by their surroundings, symbolizing deep, uninterrupted sleep. The comparison to a log emphasizes the depth and peacefulness of the sleep. This expression is a great example of how everyday objects and observations can influence language and expressions. Now that you know what it means, let's see how you can incorporate sleep like a log into your conversations. Here are a few examples. After the long journey, I slept like a log last night. You look refreshed this morning. Yes, I slept like a log. With all the exams finished, I can finally sleep like a log. Using this phrase in your conversations will not only enrich your vocabulary but also make your English sound more natural and idiomatic. While sleep like a log is widely understood and used in English-speaking countries, it's always interesting to note that many cultures have their own versions of the expression, involving different elements but conveying the same meaning of deep, restful sleep. Comparing these expressions can be a fun way to explore cultural differences and similarities in how we talk about sleep. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning and usage of the phrase, sleep like a log. Remember, learning idiomatic expressions is a great way to sound more like a native speaker and understand the language better. We encourage you to try using this phrase in your own conversations to describe a night of good, deep sleep. Thank you for watching, and we hope you sleep like a log tonight. See you in our next video.